Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials so the fix works. Update Windows 11 and open HP Support Assistant because driver updates often restore brightness control. Once done, plug the laptop into power and disable battery saver. Windows can lock brightness when conserving energy. Make sure you note the exact HP model from the sticker or settings system so you fetch the correct driver. Now move to Device Manager and the Display Adapter list to start repairing the control path. You now focus on the middle, where most fixes happen. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your adapter and choose Uninstall, then scan for hardware changes to reinstall the proper driver. If Windows uses Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, download the OEM driver from HP Support Assistant and install it. This restores brightness controls by re-enabling vendor-specific interfaces. If updates fail, check the Monitor Entry and Update or Rollback drivers, and restart Windows Update plus Plug and Play services to force driver reinstallation. You finish by applying the final settings and verifying the fix. Enable adaptive brightness in power options only if your model has a light sensor, and install the latest HP firmware or BIOS update because firmware can restore the brightness control channel. Reboot after each change, test the keyboard and action center sliders, and make sure function key firmware is active in BIOS. If brightness still doesn't respond, use the Windows built-in troubleshooter or boot into safe mode to check for conflicting third-party utilities as your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.